Hello everyone. Today we have a special sound. This time it's a bit of an unusual sound. So there are not too many words today. That should make it a bit easier for you. You don't need it to be easy. You are superstars. Let's find out. And that sound is U, made by a magic E. We know now how this magic E works. It gives some energy to the letter in the middle. So the becomes a U. Are you ready for some words? Just a few words this time. What do we have today? Let's go and find out. Cube, cube, cube. A cube has 6 sides. Tube, tube. The toilet paper is on a tube. Flute, flute. The flute makes a nice sound. Tune, tune. The song has a beautiful tune. Cute, cute. That puppy is so cute. Huge, huge. The whale is huge. Wow, there really were not many words today. But can you use the words? I think you can, but let's go and find out. Has 6 sides. Cube. A cube has 6 sides. The toilet paper is on a tube. The toilet paper is on a tube. The makes a nice sound. Flute. The flute makes a nice sound. The song has a beautiful tune. The song has a beautiful tune. That puppy is so cute. That puppy is so cute. The whale is huge. Huge. The whale is huge. Now you know the U words. Not many today, and that is the end of our words with magic. Another good sound next week though. Have a super time learning these words, and we'll see you soon. Bye! Thank you for watching our video today. Please don't forget, subscribe, and that will help us to make lots more videos for you. Thank you. Bye.